Hello, and welcome to our social media how-to series. My name is Brooke Schlatter, and I'm a junior from Perrysburg, Ohio, studying marketing and international business. I'm also a Schmidthorst College of Business student ambassador and social media intern for Schmidthorst College Dean Ray Braun. Today, I'm going to show you how to create your own YouTube channel. On YouTube, the Schmidthorst College posts videos and live streams events such as The Hatch. Let's get started. To create a YouTube account, you must first go to youtube.com. After getting to this page, you will click the blue icon in the upper right-hand corner of the screen that says Sign In. Once you click this, you will either need to sign in using an existing Google email account or create a Google email account. There is a Create Account link on this page that will direct you on how to do so if need be. Once you are logged in with your Google account, you will click the icon in the upper right corner of your screen that says a drop-down menu. Choose Create a Channel. Next, hit Get Started. Use your first and last name. Next, you will see optional features, but you can head to the bottom and click Set Up Later. To search other accounts or videos, there's a search bar available at all times in the upper middle portion of your screen. To get connected with us here at the Schmidthorst College of Business, simply search College of Business-BGSU and hit Enter. Our account will pop up. After clicking on our account, you will have access to all of our content where we post news and upcoming events in the Schmidthorst College of Business. You will also have the option on the right-hand side of the screen to subscribe to us. This allows us to get more exposure and keeps you up to date on what is going on in the Schmidthorst College of Business. Congratulations! You now have your very own YouTube channel. Be sure to stay updated. I look forward to seeing you on YouTube.